Okay, we're going to begin the second part of lesson 47 with fractional exponents. I'm going to review what we learned in the previous lesson, and that was where we had the cube root of 3 square root 3. Remember that the cube root can be rewritten as a fractional exponent of 1/3. And then square root can be rewritten as a fractional exponent of 1/2. If the number does not have an exponent written, it's an understood 1. So we can combine these because they have the same base. We add the exponents, so I get 3 to the 1 and 1/2, which is 3/2. And we raise that to the 1/3 power. And then when you have a power raised to a power, those get multiplied. So that gives you 3, and then your 3's will cancel to the 1/2. All right, so today we're going to build on that concept. All right, and this time we're going to look at numbers that have bases that are different. So we're going to look at the cube root of 27 square root 3. So the cube root doesn't change. Cube root still becomes a fractional exponent of 1/3. Square root doesn't change. It becomes a fractional exponent of 1/2. Now when we get to the 27, we want to rewrite that. 27 can be written as 3 to a power because 27 is 3 cubed. And now that I have the bases written the same, we can combine those exponents. So we can add 3 and 1/2. So 3 plus 1/2 is 7/2 to the 1/3 power. And then you multiply your exponents. So we get 3 to the 7/6 power. 7 over 6 won't reduce, and so there's our answer. All right, let's try another one. Now we've not done 6th root before, but we can figure that out. That's 6th root of 4 square root 2. Just like cube root became an exponent of 1/3, 6th root is going to be an exponent of 1/6. Square root is still an exponent of 1/2. And 4 can be rewritten as 2 squared. We combine our exponents by adding here. So 2 plus 1/2 is 5/2 to the 1/6 power. And then when you have a power raised to a power, you multiply. 5/12. All right, that's the new part with fractional exponents.